Hello everyone, my name is Eric Hartman. I'm Associate Director of New Ventures at UK Office Technology Commercialization. I am not Keith Pennypacker. Dr. Pennypacker has experienced a medical emergency and is not able to join us, so I'm going to pinch hit for his presentation today. So please hold the rotten tomatoes. We'll work our way through this together. So this is a artificial intelligence enabled platform for assessing stroke symptoms and helping to give actionable information to the physicians and therapists that are treating patients that have suffered a stroke. So the problem is not stroke. We are not solving stroke. What we are solving is the problem that no one knows at the time that someone has a stroke what the long-term side effects of that stroke will be. And those effects aren't known until it's too late. And so with this technology, the idea is that they would be able to take blood samples during standard routine therapy for a stroke, and they would be able to analyze those blood samples using current existing laboratory techniques followed by artificial intelligence. And the artificial intelligence algorithms would be able to provide that actionable information that physicians and therapists would be able to use to immediately provide better therapy, more targeted therapy, more personalized medicine to that patient to be able to lessen the long-term impacts of the stroke. So again, the blood samples that would be taken are, these are already standard of care. So they're already able to take these blood samples. They're already able to process this blood with the techniques that exist today in the market, the tools and techniques that are available in every hospital laboratory has the ability to process these samples, perhaps with a specialized tray or something along those lines to process the blood, but no new equipment, no new techniques. It's all the analysis that would be done off-site, could be then fed back in to the patient or to the physician and therapists. So the opportunity is obviously huge. Stroke is a huge patient population, and unfortunately there are many, many strokes that occur every year. 800,000 strokes, we all know that they're big numbers. The unique opportunity here with the University of Kentucky is that the University of Kentucky has a biobank of these blood samples that have been accessed over the last several years. And they have a unique capability to collect more samples with those right now. So University of Kentucky is a unique strategic partner or university to develop this technology. The team, it's a multidisciplinary scientific team. So Dr. Pennypacker is a world leader in the area of stroke and is very, very knowledgeable about this. And I will tell you, the very first time that I met with Dr. Pennypacker in my office, I said, this all sounds great, but this sounds like science fiction that nobody would ever use. I said, you need to go do some customer discovery. Pulled out his cell phone and he called Dr. Frazier. Dr. Frazier, between seeing patients, talked to us on the phone and said, this is an absolute medical need. This would be actionable information. If we had this data today, I would change my clinical practice to be able to use the results that this technology is going to provide. Dr. Ching is a bioinformatics expert at University of Kentucky, and he is here today and will be manning the poster. So if you have questions about this, please see him at the poster, and he'd be more than happy to talk with you as well. What we need is your face here. What we need are the business and non-technical people to surround this technology and be able to help this move forward. Milestones. So I guess the first thing to point out here is that with the first run of the artificial intelligence algorithms, this technology is very, very early. But with the first run of the artificial intelligence algorithm, they were actually to identify 6 new drug targets that they could potentially repurpose to solve problems in this space. So there's an immediate go-to-market strategy with that. They're planning a STTR submission in January, so this would be an NIH STTR. And then plan to move forward with commercialization. A company has already formed in preparation for this, which is called Cerelux, and that company will be the one that's applying for the SBIR grants. So with that, thank you very much.